Welcome to Dubai Marina, where luxury meets the sea. Unbelievably beautiful. Feel the rush of the waves as we explore some of the world's finest yachts. This is just incredible views, like bask in dazzling views, an iconic character. It's more like the architecture tells a story. This is the epitome of opulence on water, where each yacht tells a story of adventure and elegance. Let me take you closer, right here on the Marina dock. From sleek speedboats to majestic yachts, Dubai Marina boasts a fleet that embodies with luxury and adventure. Whether you are here to relax, celebrate, or explore, the vibrant energy of the marina promises an unforgettable day on the water. Stay tuned as we take you deeper into this floating paradise. Hello guys, we are at Dubai Marina. I'm going for a cruise ride. Say hi to her. So this is kind of a new experience. You can see the places, it's beautiful. Experience this 8-person yacht for just $150, approximately for 50 minutes to an hour. Perfect for friends and family. Feel the breeze and take in every stunning detail. As we cruise, watch this breathtaking skylines glide by. Luxury is in every detail. Steering through Dubai's shimmering waters, every moment is a thrill to share with friends. When the night falls, the marina dazzles with lights, an electric atmosphere to make your journey unforgettable. Incredible. One must do this kind of yacht riding because this is something you can actually feel the heartbeat of Dubai in the heart of Dubai. Outstanding. As we glide through Dubai's marina shimmering waters, every moment feels like a dream in motion. The elegance of these yachts is matched only by the breathtaking skyline surrounding us. Imagine steering your own vessel. The wind is in your hair, and the city's iconic towers lighting your path. It's not just a ride, it's an experience, a chance to live luxury in its purest form. Whether you are cruising, solo, or sharing laughs with friends, the magic of Dubai's marina is undeniable. This is where adventure meets sophistication, and every second on the water is a memory in the making. Check this out, 3 friends, 3 steering wheels, 1 unforgettable adventure cruising Dubai Marina. Each of us taking control, feeling the power and freedom of open water. It's not just a ride, it's a shared experience filled with laughter, thrills, and memories made on these sparkling waters. This is friendship, fun, and luxury combined for an epic day out. This is just invincible.
I'm Sajid from India, Gujarat. I'm here in Dubai Marina for 6 years and same place in the Marina since I came in Dubai. I'm right now riding a small boat. With 8 people and Mr. coming.
So anyone can come here privately?
Anyone can come. In my boat, I can take maximum up to 8 people.
How many?
Maximum up to 8. Up to 8 people.
8 people, okay, and they can drink and smoke, no problem. Fantastic. भैया भी बहुत अच्छे से ले गए हम लोगों को. As our unforgettable journey comes to a close, remember, Dubai Marina isn't just a destination, it's a lifestyle. Whether you are seeking adventure, luxury, or simply a breathtaking escape, the yacht life here welcomes you with an open arms. Don't just watch from the shore, come live the experience. If this inspired you, hit like, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more incredible journey. Your next adventure awaits. Thank you.